2016 Ford F650 rollback tow truck. Century 21-foot bed. Miller Industries build. Wheel lift with tow ball mount for trailers. L-arms, LED lights, work lights, removable sides on the bed, left and right side controls. This one even has a spare tire and wheel. We never get those when we get these trucks in. Large stainless lidded toolbox. No rust on the frame. No rust on the bed rails. And yes, this truck is a gas motor, V10. Well, other than the fact that we can do this video with the truck running, that's one benefit. The noise is not so obnoxious. But why do people go with gas motors in these trucks now? Well, for most people, what we've heard, because we sell to all walks of life, inner city, outer city, long distance guys, and a lot of people have switched with Ford and Chevy and Dodge, but especially with Ford because they've got such a good V10 engine. The life expectancy is 300,000 or 400,000 miles. Quick video of the tires. Not to change the subject, but excellent treaded tires. Actually, they look new. Not new, they were just put on. Alloy wheels. But back to the motor. These trucks get within 1 to 2 miles to the gallon of their diesel predecessors. Their maintenance is 1/3 of the cost. Their life expectancy is actually exceeding a diesel these days. We've had multiple diesels in with 200,000, 300,000 miles with major engine failure. Not to say a V10 can't blow up as well, it's all about maintenance. But there's less emissions, there's less things to go wrong. Maintenance cost is 1/3. Fuel mileage is extremely close. Now, a lot of this information is coming from tow guys that have switched over. A lot of guys still run a mixed fleet, some gas, some diesel. But these are becoming increasingly more popular. This is a one-owner truck. Came from a fleet company that we've gotten dozens of vehicles from in the past. We get all of their used trucks. This truck has 177,000 miles. They are a local Virginia company. Has all the Miller Industries owner's manuals, factory Ford owner's manual, all the chains. They run a two-way radio. That's the plug and stuff for that. CB radio, whatever. CD player truck, power options, clean seats, power windows, power door locks, cruise, tilt, 3 passenger seats, fold-up console. Again, no rust. Dual stainless toolboxes, excellent tires, chrome trim package. This particular company was thrilled with gas motors. Another thing this particular truck has, within the last 2,000 to 3,000 miles, this truck got a brand new transmission from Ford. Just to tell you what kind of company this company is, they could have probably easily traded it in with the transmission issue and left me to deal with it, but they are very upfront about it. They told me it was acting funny. I said, well, get it in, get it checked out, just let me know what it needs. Well, turns out Ford recommended a transmission. Probably could have had a rebuild, might could have even had a solenoid replaced, but they did a full replacement factory Ford transmission in this truck. We've serviced it, we've gone over it, got a proper Virginia inspection. If you have any other questions about this truck or any of our rollbacks, right now, just looked on the website, we have about 90 commercial trucks in stock right now. A little over 200 vehicles total. Trucks, vans, SUVs, a few boats. Check us out. Feel free to shoot us a message, an email, drop a comment. www.davis4x4.com. 4x4 like a truck. Call us anytime, 804-271-0030. happy to hear from you on any of your questions on commercial vehicles, custom trucks, lifted trucks, whatever you would like. Thanks for watching.